This available feature allows two drivers to store their preferred seat positions and recall them automatically or with just a push of a button. To set your driving position in the system, first take note of the driver number on the back of your Smart Entry remote. You will use that number during this process. After unlocking and entering the vehicle with your Smart Entry remote, turn the ignition on. Next, adjust your seat to the desired position. Note that the system will not store your lumbar support preference. Now, press the Set button in the driver's door. You'll hear a beep. Within 5 seconds, press and hold the memory button that corresponds with your Smart Entry remote. Once the position has been memorized, the light on your memory button will stay illuminated. Every time you unlock and enter the vehicle with your Smart Entry remote, the driver's seat will move to your preferred position. And if you temporarily change the position with the seat adjust buttons, you can recall the preferred position by just pressing the appropriate memory button.